Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert the memory card to Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. And in order to do that, we will need to use the pin that is of course included inside the box of the device. Now let's take a look at the left side where we have the SIM tray over here with the hole. We need to place the pin inside this hole and then push it in so that the SIM tray comes out just a little bit, and then we need to use our fingers in order to take it out. There we go. I had my SIM card installed already, but it's really easy to lose it. So if you also have the SIM card installed, then be careful. In order to install the memory card, we need to make sure that we are looking at the front. We can recognize it by the text. If you have the text over here, then it is the front. And of course we need to match the slot. You can also use the table in order to try to install the SIM card. You should hear a slight click when you properly insert the memory card, and this is how it looks like once it is installed. Now we can place the SIM tray back into the device. You can match the holes once again because we have still the same hole on the device as well as on the SIM tray. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.